Okay, the first question is about division of the complex number. Remember, you multiply by the conjugate. The conjugate is 9 plus 2i. Multiply and divide. Okay, let's do the multiplication. 9 times 9 is 81. And 2 times 2 is 4. The answer is 85. Real number in the denominator. In the top we have 72, 69, 36i, and finally is plus 8i squared. This is 72 plus 16 and 36 is 12, carry down 1 is 52. 52i minus 8, because I squared is negative 1, divided by 85. And 72 minus 8 is 64. Entonces 64 plus 52i over 85. Now separate real part and imaginary part, and reduce in lowest term when it's possible, but in this case it's impossible. Leave it like that. Okay, solve this equation. This is obvious equation quadratic from, because this exponent is twice this exponent. And remember, the substitution is u equal x squared. So u squared minus 2u minus 3 equal to 0. Now by factoring, it's 3 and 1, it's minus, it's plus. Now the solution is u equal 3 is one solution, and u equal negative 1 is another solution. For u is x squared equal 3, x squared equal negative 1. This is a quadratic equation, but we're solving by square root principle. Entonces x is equal plus and minus radical 3, and in this case exactly the same, but this is imaginary number. X is equal plus or minus I. Solution set for this equation is two real solutions, radical 3 minus radical 3, comma, two imaginary, I and negative I. That's it. Fourth solution. Okay, number 3 is a polynomial inequality. Remember, critical value. You convert this to equation. Es obvio que es 1 and negative 5. This is our critical value. Let's do in the partition. Our real number, infinity, negative infinity. Negative 5 here, and 1 here. The testing point is maybe negative 6, 0, and 2. Let's do it in the chart. The chart is testing point, negative 6, 0, and 2. The factors are x minus 1 squared, x plus 5, and total. This is always positive. Negative 6 here is minus, therefore it's minus. 0 here is plus, then it's plus, and 2 is plus, then it's plus. Well, the true part obviously is this part and this part, because our inequality is positive greater than 0. Then the solution is this interval and this interval. But what happened with the negative 5 and 1? Negative 5 and 1 belong to the equation, but do not belong to the inequality, because it's a strict inequality. Therefore, we have here parenthesis, parenthesis, parenthesis. Now the solution interval is from negative 5, 1, union 1, infinity. Okay? And this is the answer. Okay, this is the rational inequality. So we have critical value and restriction. Critical value is obvious, is 7 and negative 7. And restriction is 0, because the 0 of the denominator. Okay, again, partition, or real number, infinity, negative infinity, 0, positive 7, and negative 7. Testing point, maybe negative 8, maybe negative 1, maybe positive 1, and maybe positive 8. Okay, the chart, TP, negative 8, negative 1, positive 1, and 8. The factor, x minus 7, x plus 7, and x, and total. This is negative, this is negative, this is negative, 3 negative, negative. This is negative, this is positive, this is negative, and positive. 1 is negative, this is positive, this is positive, this is negative. And 8 is positive, positive, and positive. Therefore, it's positive. Our inequality is less than. Now the true part is less than is negative. True, true. Therefore, the interval is here and 1 here. Okay, what about the critical value? It's included inside because our inequality is no strict inequality, so it's equal, so this is working perfectly. There's a bracket here, and there's a bracket here. And this is a restriction we never take. And the answer is from negative infinity, comma negative 7, parenthesis bracket, union, 0, 7, parenthesis bracket. That's it. Okay, question 5 is find this general form of the equation of the circle. So the requirement is, this is the center. See, this is the center is because h is negative 4 and k is negative 3. And contain the point negative 3, 3. This is x and this is y. So the equation in the standard form is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal r squared. In our specific example, x plus 4, because h is negative 4 and negative formula or negative value become positive, plus y plus 3 is the same idea, equal r. But you don't know what is r. So for finding the r, I'm using this. So is x is minus 3 plus 4 square plus 3 square equal r square. 4 minus 3 is 1, square is 1, plus 3 plus 3 is 6, square 36, now 37. R square is 37. So far, our equation is x plus 4 square plus y plus 3 squared equal 37. Pero they want the answer in a standard form. So standard form, the only thing you should do is manipulate a little bit this, so expand this, using quick-foil is x squared plus 8x plus 16, I do a foil here or quick-foil, whatever, plus y squared plus 6y plus 9 minus 37 equal to 0. Remember, the right hand side must be 0. Now you organize. You copy the quadratic term first, in alphabetical order the x, the y, and after you combine 16 and 9 is 25, and 37 is 37 and 25 is 12. Yes, it's 12. So it's minus 12 equal to 0. And this is the answer that they want. General. Equation of the circle in general form.